Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the small shells edge stitch pattern. For this pattern, you're just going to need to know how to double crochet. Also, this project is good for any stitch count of a multiples of 3. If you need help with the double crochet, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do that stitches and techniques. So to get started, I've just made myself a little swash here to represent maybe the edge of a blanket or a scarf or whatever you're trying to put any edging on. So to get started, we are going to join our working colored yarn at the beginning of your work where it was fastened off previously. Then you are going to chain 3, and then you're going to double crochet into the same space as where you joined the yarn. Then you will double crochet in every single stitch until the end of the row, and then you will turn your work. All right, looking good. So for row 2, we are going to chain 3, then we're going to skip the first stitch. And then in the following stitch, we're going to start our repeat, which is going to be working 3 double crochets into that following stitch. Then you are going to skip 2. And you'll repeat this until the very last 2 stitches. Then you will skip 1 stitch and double crochet in the last stitch. So let me show you how this is going to work. Again, the repeat is going to be working 3 double crochets into the same stitch. Then you'll be skipping 2 stitches. So here we go. We're going to skip 2, then we're going to work 3 double crochets into the following stitch, followed by skipping 2. It's actually pretty straightforward to end up doing these stitches for the shells, but just keep in mind that this is actually the back side of the work. So here we are coming off at the end of the last 3. We have our last 2 stitches. You're going to skip 1 and then double crochet in the very last stitch and fasten off your work. So we'll flip it over and now we can see our shells very beautiful. And there you have it. That's how you do the small shells edge stitch pattern. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and I look forward to seeing you in the next crochet video. Have a happy crochet day.